If you're frustrated by having notes or other annotations associated with drawing views, let me offer a suggestion. Place your general notes in an empty drawing view. Now, before we take a look at how to do this, let's review how notes become associated with drawing views in the first place. When the pointer moves over a drawing, you'll see a highlight appear over the different drawing views as the pointer gets close. This highlight lets you know that a particular view is active. When you create a note or other annotation, it'll automatically be associated with whichever drawing view is active. This means that moving the drawing view will move the note. In many cases, this is exactly the behavior you want. However, when you're trying to add a general note to the sheet that should not be associated with the view, this behavior can be a source of frustration. To override this behavior, there are a couple of things you can do. If you simply double-click an empty region of your drawing, the entire drawing sheet will be active. In the status bar, you also see the label Locked Focus next to the sheet name. When the focus is locked to the sheet, any notes or annotations added will be associated with the sheet itself, and not a particular drawing view. The only exception to this is an annotation attached directly to a model face, edge, or vertex. In such cases, the note becomes associated with the view, regardless of the locked focus. Once you're done adding general notes, you can double-click the sheet again to release the focus. By the way, in addition to double-clicking, you can also right-click an empty region of the sheet and select Lock or Unlock Focus. While locking the focus to the sheet is effective, it can also lead to frustration because many users simply forgot they've done so. This leads to notes that should be associated with the drawing view to be locked to the sheet. My recommendation is that you use an empty drawing view for your general notes. To do this, click Insert, Drawing View, Empty. Place the view wherever you need it, most often in the top left corner. Now you can add notes directly on the view without having to worry about locking focus to anything. Simply let the default SOLIDWORKS behavior activate the empty view as you add notes. If you do have a need to move the notes, simply move the empty view.